So the shortcut keys for the following tools. Number one, write the shortcut keys for the following tool. Number one, mark you tool. Number one, mark you tool. The shortcut key is M. The shortcut key is M for the mark you tool. Next, move tool. Move tool. The shortcut key is V. Shortcut key is V. Next is lasso tool. Lasso tool. The shortcut key is L. The shortcut key is L. Next, brush tool. Brush tool. The shortcut key is B. Brush tool. The shortcut key is B. Next, magic wand. Magic wand. The shortcut key is W. Quick selection. Quick selection tool. The shortcut key is W. Magic wand and quick selection both are having the shortcut key W. Next, crop tool. Crop tool. The shortcut key is C. Shortcut key is C. Eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool किसके लिए यूज होता है? That is used to pick a color. In case you are not aware of regarding some color, अगर कोई आपको color कोई बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है and you want to use that color in your images, तो you can pick that color. तो आपके पास color की value आ जाती है, ठीक है? The shortcut key is I. Eyedropper tool. The shortcut key is I. Next, spot healing brush tool. Spot healing brush tool J. Healing brush tool J. Spot healing brush tool. The shortcut key is J. Healing brush tool, again the shortcut key is J. Pencil tool B. Pencil tool B. Color replacement tool B. Color replacement tool B. Clone stamp tool S. Clone stamp tool S. Pattern stamp tool S. Pattern stamp tool S. Eraser, background eraser, magic eraser E, capital E. Background eraser, eraser, magic eraser, shortcut key is E. Gradient tool G. Gradient tool G. Paint bucket tool G. Paint bucket tool G. Dodge O. Dodge tool O. Burn O. Sponge O. Dodge, burn and spawn. The shortcut key is O. Next, text tool. Text tool. The shortcut key is T. Text tool. The shortcut key is T. Pen tool. P. Pen tool. P. Path selection A. Path selection capital A. Custom shape U. Custom shape tool U. Rectangle tool U. Rounded rectangle U. Line tool U. Ellipse tool U. Polygon tool U. Total 6 tools are there जिनकी shortcut की U आ रही है. Rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line, custom shape. Next, hand tool H. Hand tool H. Zoom tool Z. Zoom tool Z. Apart from Z, अगर आपको zoom in करना है तो कंट्रोल प्लस, zoom out, कंट्रोल माइनस. Zoom tool Z. Zoom in, control plus, zoom out, control minus. Zoom out, control minus. Gorish, sit properly. Zoom out, control minus. Similarly, hand tool की क्या है? H. The shortcut key for hand tool is H, or you can press space bar key. For hand tool, you can also use space bar key. To deselect the selection, control plus D. To deselect the selection, control plus D. By default, the foreground color is black, the background color is white. By default, the foreground color is black, background color is white. Shortcut key for the layer. Shift plus control plus N. Shift plus control plus N. For inserting layer, the shortcut key is shift plus control plus N. To make the copy of the layer, control plus J. To make copy of the layer, control plus J. To fill foreground color, Alt plus backspace. To fill foreground color, Alt plus backspace. To fill background color, control plus backspace. Control plus backspace. Next, what are layers?
Ma'am, layers are the transparent sheets that can hold objects. They are stacked on the top of each other.
Correct. Layers are the transparent sheets that are used to hold an object. What are layers? These are the transparent sheets that can hold objects. What is layer palette? What is layer palette? हाँ जी, क्या होता है?
Layer palette displays the small view of layers.
Layer palette is a component in Photoshop window that is used to display the small view of layers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Layer palette is used.
एक बारी जो U की होती है उसके एक बारी वो 6 मैम वो टूल्स दिखा दो एक बारी जिनकी शॉर्टकट की U होती है.
Rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line, custom shape. Layer palette is a component of the Photoshop window that is used to display the small views of layers. It is used to manage the layers. Layer palette में क्या होता है? That is used to manage the layers. What are the 3 methods for inserting the layer? 3 methods for inserting the layer.
Yes, ma'am. The first method is layer menu, new option, and layer option. And ma'am, the second method is with the help of shortcut key control shift plus control plus N. And ma'am, the third method is we should click on create new layer option in options bar.
Ma'am, at the bottom of layers palette.
Yeah, at the bottom of layers panel. So the first method, the shortcut key shift plus control plus N. Write down the 3 methods for inserting a layer. Shift plus control plus N. The command for inserting the layer menu, new option, the sub option is layer. Layer menu, new option, the sub option is layer. Third, insert layer button. See, at the bottom of the layer panel. Button का name है create a new layer. Create a new layer button. Click on create a new layer button at the bottom of layer panel. Click on create a new layer button at the bottom of layer panel. All right. Now, how to rename the layer?
Ma'am, we can rename the layer by double clicking on it
the layer and type
a new
We
name.
can rename a layer by double clicking on a layer name. By double click on the layer name and type a new name. So double click on the layer name and type a new name in order to rename a layer. How to change order of layer? How
Ma'am, by simply dragging
layer
up and down in the layer palette.
dragging.
Drag the selected layer up or down in the layer panel. जिस लेयर को भी आपको चेंज करना है उसका ऑर्डर चेंज करना है यू कैन ड्रैग दैट पर्टिकुलर लेयर अप और डाउन इन दी लेयर पैनल ओके नेक्स्ट हाउ टू डिलीट अ लेयर
Right
click on the layer by clicking on the layer and click on the delete button.
First method, right click on a specific layer and choose the option delete layer from the shortcut menu or from the sub menu. Okay, first method likho, right click on the particular layer that you want to delete and choose the option delete layer from its sub menu. Second method, select the layer, that you want to delete and press delete key from the keyboard. Select the layer that you want to delete and press delete key from the keyboard. Ravjot, you are not writing. फर्स्ट मेथड क्या है, राइट क्लिक करके डिलीट लेयर की ऑप्शन आ रही है. सेकंड मेथड यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द लेयर एंड प्रेस द डिलीट की. थर्ड मेथड सिलेक्ट द लेयर in the layer panel and click on delete layer button present at the bottom of layer panel. Select the layer that you want to delete. ये first step सब में common रहेगा. Okay. Then click on delete layer button present at the bottom of layer panel. Click on the delete layer button present at the bottom of layer panel. Fourth method, you can drag the layer to the delete layer button. Drag the layer. देखो कैसे करा मैंने. Look here. I am simply dragging the layer to the delete layer button. Okay. You can drag the layer to the delete layer button present at the bottom of layer panel. So new layer insert करने की 3 methods we have studied. Okay, and for deleting a layer 4 methods. Any doubt?
मैम एक बार आप डिलीट लेयर बटन की एक बार पोजीशन बता दो.
ये look at the mouse pointer. ये आपको एक बिन दिख रहा है ना, ये insert create a new layer है, उसके साथ ही है delete layer button जो ये डस्टबिन साइड बना हुआ है. Okay, so this is a delete layer button.
मैम ये लेयर पैनल है ना नीचे वाला,
ये सारा ही लेयर पैनल है इतना.
ओके मैम.
ये आ रहा है ना, ये लुक हियर, ये मैंने लेयर पैनल बाहर निकाल लिया. ठीक है, दिस इज कंप्लीट लेयर. ओके
मैम एक बार आप,
हाँ जी शो.
मैम एक बार आप क्रॉप टूल की शॉर्टकट की बताना.
सी.
ओके.
The shortcut key is C.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how to delete a layer का third point बता दो.
First method बताया, right click करके you have to choose the option delete layer. Second method, select a particular layer that you want to delete and press the delete key from the keyboard. Third method, select the layer. जैसे अभी ये layer 1 मेरी selected है and click on delete layer button present at the bottom of layer panel. Fourth method है कि आप इसको drag करके लेके आ रहे हो. Third method है you are simply selecting the layer that you want to delete and click on delete layer button. Click on delete layer button. Done. हमने renaming के भी लिख लिए, changing order भी लिख लिया. Okay, so we have done with the layers topic now. Okay. Any doubt? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट? Okay, name the tools used for the following purpose. Name the tools used for the following purpose. Number 1, name the tool used for the following purpose. Number 1, tool to define smooth stroke of foreground color.
मैम brush tool.
मैम ब्रश टूल.
पहले सारे टूल्स हम लिख लेंगे, then we will do the answers. Okay, पहले आप सारा लिखो. Tool that is used to define the smooth stroke of foreground color. To define smooth stroke of foreground color. Second, tool used to draw or write. Tool used to draw or write freehand drawings in Photoshop. Tool that is used to write or draw freehand drawings in the Photoshop file. Next, tool used to retouch or repair the images. Tool used to retouch or repair the images. Tool used to clear the imperfections. Tool used to clear the imperfections. From the image. Tool used to clear imperfections from the image. Next, tool used to clear the imperfections by choosing the sample pixel. Tool used to clear the imperfections by choosing the sample pixel. Tool used
मैम एक टाइम रिपीट कर दो लास्ट वाला.
Tool used to clear the imperfections from the image using sample pixel. By using sample pixel. Tool that is used to create copy or clone of an image. Tool used to create copy or clone of an image. Tool used to make patterns of the image. Tool that is used to make patterns or fill an area with the selected pattern. Tool that is used to make a pattern or to fill an area of the image with the selected pattern.
Ma'am, please repeat.
To make the patterns or to fill a particular area of the image using some pattern. Tool used to erase or remove the area of image. Tool used to remove a particular area of an image. A particular area of an image. Next, tool used to erase the background of image. Tool used to erase the background of an image. Tool used to remove the part of an image by picking the adjacent colors. Tool used to remove the part of an image by picking the adjacent colors or in one go.
हम एक बार रिपीट कर दो.
Tool used to remove the part of an image with adjacent colors or in one go. Tool used to fill an area with range of colors. Tool used to fill an area with various range of colors.
हम area with various colors है.
With range of colors, with variety of range of colors or combination of colors or blending of colors, कोई भी term हो सकती है. Combination of colors, blending of colors. Next, tool used to fill an image. Tool used to fill an image with a particular color. Tool used to fill an image with the particular color. Tool used to lighten the selected area of an image. Tool used to lighten the selected area of an image. Tool used to make the image sharper. Tool used to make the image sharper. Tool that is used to spread shaded effect.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Tool used to fill shaded effect or wet effect on the image. Used to fill shaded effect or wet paint effect on the image.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Tool that is used to spread shaded effect or a wet paint effect on the image.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat that question too? Used to lighten.
Used to lighten the selected area of image. Used to lighten the selected area of an image. Tool used to give burning effect. Tool used to give burning effect. Tool used to darken the image. Tool used to darken the image. Tool used to retransform or reshape. Tool used to retransform or reshape the part of a line. The part of a line. Tool used to reshape or retransform the part of a line. Tool used to select the path of the image. Tool used to select path of an image. Tool used to add text on the image. Tool used to add text on an image. Text on an image. Tool used to draw rectangle. Tool used to draw ellipse or circle. Tool used to draw rectangle or square. Tool used to draw ellipse or circle. Tool used to draw any closed figure or polygon. तीन क्वेश्चंस इकट्ठे बोले मैंने. टूल यूज टू ड्रॉ रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर. टूल यूज टू ड्रॉ एलिप्स और सर्कल. टूल यूज टू ड्रॉ एनी क्लोज्ड फिगर और पॉलीगन. टूल यूज टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन.
मैम एक टाइम जो आपने रेक्टेंगल एंड स्क्वायर के बाद जो मैम आपने एक क्वेश्चन बोला था
सर्कल और
तो वो
एलिप्स.
रिपीट कर दो.
सर्कल और एलिप्स. और
मैम एक बार आप सर्कल और इलिप्स के नेक्स्ट वाला भी कर दो जो शेप थी.
Closed figure or polygon. Tool used to draw closed figure or polygon. Tool used to draw a line. Tool used to draw any custom shape. Tool used to draw any custom shape. Tool used to see the magnified view of an image. Tool used to view magnified view of an image. Tool that is used to see the magnified view of an image. Last, tool that is used to adjust the size of an image. Tool used to adjust the size of an image after zooming. Tool used to adjust the size of an image after zooming.
साइज ऑफ इमेज के बाद क्या है?
After zooming. Name the option of text tool. Name the option of text tool that is used to position the letters or text. Name the option of text tool that is used to position the letters or text in different shapes. Used to position the letters or text in different shapes. And you solve these all, then we will discuss. So
Ma'am,
मैम
एक
एक
बार
बार टेक्स्ट
कर
के
दो।
बाद क्या बोला था?
हाँ
मैम
जी,
लास्ट वाला एक बार रिपीट कर दो.
name the option of the text tool that is used to position the letters or text that is used to position the letters or text in different shapes. In different shapes. So solve these all, okay? And in the next lecture, we are going to discuss the answers. Right?
मैम क्लोन स्टैम्प टूल की शॉर्टकट की बता दो.
इसकी Please pardon.
ओके मैम.
All right. So solve this before discussing. तो सबके पास कल आंसर्स होने चाहिए, right? Okay. And also send your
Thank you.
notebooks those who have not sent along with the index.
Okay, ma'am.